It's finally here. All the way from Japan, our RWB shipment has arrived. I'm so stoked to have this in my hands after 2.5 long months. Anyone want to guess what's inside? Comment down below. So enough chit chat, let's get into it and unbox this thing and see what's inside. What's up everybody, I'm Devin Tiart and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be finding out what's in the RWB box and was it worth the wait. So stay tuned till the end to find out. In the meantime, leave us a like, hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you never miss a future upload. So you're probably wondering why I'm so excited for this unboxing. Well, first off, the shipment's from RWB Japan, the home of RWB. And if you don't know what RWB is, well, I suggest you go and check it out on Google. It's gonna blow your mind. The name RWB is Raw Wild Bagraph, which translates to rough world. RWB is a company founded by Japan's most notorious Porsche tuner, Nakai-san. I'm sure you've heard of brands like Rocket Bunny, Pandem, Liberty Walk, and many more. And in my not so humble opinion, they got absolutely nothing on RWB. And that's exactly why you should go and check them out. This legendary tuner turns some of the most incredibly built Porsches into the loudest and rowdiest wide-body monsters the world has ever seen. If you've never seen an RWB Porsche before, you should definitely check it out. And if you're like me and love Porsches and Japanese culture, I suggest you hold on to your seats because this shit's gonna get absolutely wild. Originally hand-built custom wide body kits with fat spoilers and the most ridiculously wide wheels and the craziest amount of offset you've ever seen, you're in for an absolute treat. So about 2.5 months ago, I placed an order with RWB Japan. These guys were super on it and within 24 hours they had shipped the package from their offices. It took about a week and a half for the package to arrive at customs Johannesburg. And so the wait began. I gave it about another week and still no show. No package, no update from the forwarding agent. I now began to panic. Has customs seized my package? Was it stolen? Yes, that's a real thing here in South Africa. Packages do go missing off the face of the earth.
2 weeks later.
So at this point, another 2 weeks went by, hoping my package would turn up at some point. Finally, after being in the country for more than 3 weeks, it had finally cleared customs. It took another 3 weeks for the package to make its way down to Cape Town, where I live. And then, I got a message. Please collect your parcel from the nearest post office. After receiving the text, I hopped into my car and made my way down to the post office.
1 hour later.
It's finally here. Our RWB shipment has arrived. So stoked that we finally have this in our hands after 2.5 long months. So let's get to unboxing and see what's inside. So what's in the box? We've got some cool RWB 911 stickers, the idless tire stencil, which we'll definitely make good use of. First need to find a decent enough project car. The last one we looked at didn't quite work out. It was terrible, rust holes everywhere, poorly resprayed, overspray on basically all the trim, the interior was mank. But hey, patience. Something worthwhile will turn up soon. The Raw Wild Bagraph hoodie. The moment we've all been waiting for. 2.5 months later, we've still got this with all the delays in time for me. Let me know what you think of the hoodie in the comments below and if you think it was worth it. If you like this video, please do me a favor and smash that like button below. Remember to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you never miss a future upload. Thanks for watching and until next time, keep your lips off the bottle and hit it full throttle.